Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to sign up for the DHgate affiliate program. Start by opening DHgate.com on your computer. Next, scroll down the page until you see a section called Affiliate Program. This program allows you to earn money by promoting products from DHgate. When you join the affiliate program, you can earn commissions ranging from 3% to 60% on sales made through your referrals. Plus, when you invite friends to join, you will earn 30% of their commissions. To get started, you need to sign up for the DHgate affiliate program. You will get a special link that you can share to earn commissions. Click on the Get Started Now button to begin the sign-up process. Enter your email address and create a password. This will be used to log in to your affiliate account. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then click on the Create My Account button. To verify your identity, you may need to solve a puzzle or complete a CAPTCHA. Check your email for a verification code sent by DHgate. Enter this code on the website to confirm your email address. Click on Next to proceed. Now click on Enter Workplace to access your affiliate dashboard. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then, click on Activate Free to confirm your participation in the affiliate program. You will now be prompted to provide information about your marketing channels. This includes the type of channels you would like, its title, URL, and contact information. Once you have entered all the necessary details, you will be successfully signed up for the DHgate affiliate program. Now, you can start promoting DHgate products using your affiliate link and earn commissions on sales made through your referrals. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.